My name is Lloyd Luna and I am on Twitter and Facebook. Sino po dito may mga Twitter accounts na taas ko yung kamay? Facebook. Slambook. Pakipala na lang po ako sa kapangkila sa Twitter. First, I would like to thank you for being here because without the audience, mukha pong taka ang speaker. Palakpan po niyo mga sarili niyo. Nasasalamatan po yung organizer dahil kung wala yung organizer, hindi po ako ma-invite dito. And lastly, nasasalamatan po yung sarili ko dahil nandito po ako ngayon. Here are the things that I do. I motivate people, I write books. I do corporate training. I'm a television host. On Global News Network, I create a piano, I publish newspaper, I advise politically and on social media. Hindi ko masyadong busy schedule ko, kaya po ba? Ano ko ginagawa? And nagawa ko pang magsalita sa inyo ngayon. So, parang kailangan talakpan yung part na yun. Last 5 years, we have built 4 businesses. First, Lloyd Luna Communications Consulting. Second, Monday Personal Development Training Company, both of which are awarded top brands in 2012. I publish a newspaper. It's called Campus Paper. It's a free school paper that circulates twice a month in 22 schools in Metro Manila, all for free. Huwag po kayo magalang natin sa Laguna. After bigyan nyo ka ng 6 months to 12 months, na Laguna, lahat ng schools, magkakaroon na rin tayo. In this case, may boses na po ang kabataan. So kung meron sa inyo interesado magsulat at mag-contribute, the website is campuspaper.net. Ito lang ang dyaryo na sa atin at ginawa ng kapwa natin estudyante. Graduate natin. And lastly, I own a important company called Fiction and Play. So ito yung mga bayan ng Chelo, Yola. So ayun po, nakapagod ko ganyan. Ay tinayo ko 5 years later after doing a stand just in case. Ito po natatapusin ko ako. Maraming salamat po sa tagal. In the last 6 years, I started writing books. And since my first manuscript was rejected by publishing companies in Metro Manila, I have written 8 books. 6 of them you are going to see on your screen. 6 books I don't talk about only one because my topic for today is blogging for motivation. So isang libro lang po. In the last 6 years, since I started my motivational career, I think I have motivated more than 500,000 people, not only in the Philippines, but also abroad. take a photo for us. Yes. Ako yung pinagkakalalan yung photographer. Palakpakan niyo yung mga lalaki niyo. I am the speaker. Lesson in life. Lesson in life. There are things that you really need to accept. No matter how well you explain yourself, people will simply not believe you. 7 years since I started my business, I was able to serve with God's grace. I was able to serve the following companies. It should not be the other way around. It says 1 minutes. I think it should be 10. Flip it. Yes. So 1 and 0. Okay, very good.
Niligaw ako ngayong araw na.
My television show, Global News Network, airs every
Sa
Friday.
inyo po, sir. Ganun din po yung wala.
Interview exclusively business owners
Sa inyo po, ano pong flavor yung chocolate?
produced by Concholo.
Tsaka po.
Yung producer ko, bali kami lang yung naglolokohan sa buhay.
Ah, okay.
Pinaalala niya na siya yung producer kasi narinig pa na. So palakpakan niya yung producer niya. A very small little thing, I would just like to ask for an answer from you. If what I'm going to flash on screen is either a fact or a fiction. Can we do that? Say fact.
Hindi.
Ayusin yung pronunciation, mali. Di ba kasi yung sinasabi ko? Hindi siya letter U, it's a fact. Fact. Fiction. I just turned 30 years old. Fact or fiction? Ano? Kahit gusto yung sabihin fiction, para lang masabi yung fact. And by the way, my height is 5'5", actually depends really, my weight is about 124 pounds, nothing to do with blogging or motivation, but my appearance is just like a high school kid. And oh, by the way, my hair complexion really depends on the lighting system. Ito lang po yung pinakamaliwanag na ilaw dito sa Outskirts. Wala nang iniiwanag po. At least next time gagawin ko magdadala ka ng sarili kong spotlight. At least alam ko lang yung story lang. I have lived all my life with only one but really remarkable and exemplary motto in life. Why don't you congratulate your teammates? Sa wakas, nakakakilala ka na rin ng perfectong tao. And I really don't have any much more time, but nonetheless, this is my opportunity to clear my name. Yun. Gusto mong sawayin ng isang audience, tapos nagtoto ka, biglang lang ipapasok. Magkasabay na yan. Gusto ko lang i-clear. Dahil maraming balita ang lumalabas, pagod na akong marinig, hindi ko na alam ang gagawin ko. This is my opportunity to defend myself. Yung mga lalaki kayo, kung mga tayo kayo, may standing ovation pa kayo. Hindi ko pa nakakalimutan yung ginawa niyo sa akin. by the way, please welcome the actual. So much for your attention. I really love to be here again for your next event. I hope you have learned a lot about blogging and motivation. Is there any question? Wala na? Wala na? Wala na question? Okay pa yung ano kaya ito po, di ba? Sakto-sakto sa topic. Wait. If there's anything about blogging, this is what I do. Itong mga ganitong script, itong mga ganitong motivation, life stories, I actually do that on loinduda.com/blog. Basically, I motivate people. If there's anything I would like to share with you, if you are not going to blog about yourself and about what you do and about what you see and hear, nobody else will. So take in charge of that opportunity that you have the technology with you to really be helpful about what you are going to do in the future. Blogging, internet, social media is nothing but a tool for your personal development. Huwag nyo lang siyang gamitin, huwag nyo lang siyang i-consume. Make sure that every time you're using the technology, you are becoming a better and better person. 10 years ago, it has never existed. Now, we have the tool. Let's make use of that for our own personal good. Bago kayo malakpak, saglit lang. Saglit lang, meron lang ipapakita. Ang tawag sa akin, mga kaibigan, ay, di ba meron silang finance vlogger, mga ganyan, no? Finance, health vlogger, di ba? Ang tawag ko sa akin ay good-looking vlogger. Sige, maliban na, hindi ganyan. Although, pwede na rin, di ba? Pero hindi na, ang tawag ko sa akin talaga is motivational blogger. So you can din like blog sa very good time. Alam ko wala sa akin na, pero ayun lang. Kung kayo may mga story, personal story nyo sa struggle, especially yung mga students dito, yung mga struggle nyo sa school, pwede nyo siyang gawa ng magandang perspective. You can always use blogs para i-express yung inyong sariling experience. I'm sure it will be helpful for others. So, ginagawa niyo yung vlog, hindi lang para sa sarili niyo, hindi lang para sa self-expression. You're also trying to do a vlog because you know that some people out there may have a chance to read your vlog and that person probably may get inspiration from what you're doing. So, that would be all. Thank you. Thank you.
Everyone's smiling. I want to let questions here. But if you have any questions, feel free to question. Yes, ma'am.
Patay tayo.
Si Bea. Si Miss Bea.
Walang mathematics. Thank you.
I'm Gemma from the Southern Luzon Association of Museums. So you are a motivational blogger. Can you just tell us how does one become a motivational speaker? Because we didn't even notice that your speech is done. We really enjoyed it. Thank you.
I also did not notice that I'm done. First thing, if you want to be a motivational speaker, I think you need to speak. And make sure that your speech is motivational. That makes a motivational speaker. Seriously, I think you need to come up with your own life story. I believe that each and every one of us here has that unique story about their lives of struggle and success. Regardless of what age you are in right now, I think we all have that story. The way you're going to read the story and make it really something that is useful for others, I think that makes a motivational blogger or a speaker. So tayo po dito bilang mayroong lahat na storya, we start from that. Because without the story, I don't think people will listen to us anyway. So make sure that you craft that story, and that story somehow, with our really, really huge hope, sana po yung story natin, ma-inspire yung iba. I am doing this not for the money. Can you believe I was not paid to speak here? Can you believe that? I am going race, but about got it for free. Minsan na ako nakikita na ako sa buhay ko, di ba? Magtoto ako 1 hour, 50,000, susunod na oras, 50,000 na naman. Boring! Minsan iinis ka, di ba? Tatawag sa'yo, Malaysia, Vietnam, South Korea, Thailand, pupuntahin ka doon, papasakay ka sa first class na aeroplano, 5-star hotel. Nakakapiko, dahil sometimes more. You want to be a motivational speaker or blogger, you need to learn how to create your own story and make sure it touches the lives of those who may read your blog. May question po ako. Okay na po sa akin ni Angelica, kung po kayo magaliwa.
Thank you, Lorena.
Wala na pong question. May dalawa pa, kasi hindi naman nakapagpapag ko siya about vlogging. So, parang lilinig sila ng question. Hindi po kasi ako kagaya na sir, yung speech na kumikita doon sa advertising. Kumikita po ako dahil mga malalaking companies na babasa yung aking motivational blog. Eh, since nabasa nila motivational blog, yun daw yung module sa mga companies nila. So, binabayaran ako ng company because of the blog. So, yun po yung gamit ko ng blog. I make sure na na-optimize yung aking website para pag nag-type ka ng motivational speaker, ang unang-unang lalabas, ikalawa, ating apat, ay gawin ko na dapat. So, yun po yung aking opportunity sa blog. May question po? Wala na yan?
Gusto na mag-picture ng sa last week.
Ay, no, ano gusto nyo mga yan? Yung mga sa dulo. Yung mga adik. Akin na sa stage yung mga pala yung bokeh.
It's your chance.
This is your chance. Hindi, okay. Nasa yung camera ko, pakikunan mo nga ako dito. May ibang time, di ba, you always get a chance for the sweetest revenge. Kasi nag-camera ko sa social media sa others. Talaga. Seriously. Mukha siya ni Moses. Pero wakang kainit na ako. Mas kumakas. So, anong course mo? ACT. Asset-based. Associated Computer Technology. Associate. Hindi associate. Tama yun. Associate. In computer. Technology. So, yun ang kinukuha ko sa college. Maliban sa allowance. So, maraming salamat sa opportunity na nagpa-picture ka sa akin. Pwede ka rin kung kasi umiingin ulo ko pag nakikita-record ko yung nangyari kanina. Para nagsawa ko may isang i-upload ko sa Facebook.